Hey everyone, I'm here in a cafe right now. Can't really say exactly where I'm at, but I just got my new lav mic today. You can see it here. There's the lav mic. You can probably hear the audio from it as well. Yeah, there's the audio from it. And I just got it today, so hopefully it'll lead to better vlogs, and you can hopefully hear me better now that I got the new lav mic. And let me show you over here my new voice recorder. Let me flip the camera. There's a new voice recorder right there, the H1n. You can see it going, recording right now. Whoops, focus. Oh, this camera's having focusing issues with the Osmo Pocket. Yeah, but I got a new Sadco, I think it's called a Sadco lav mic. There's a little logo right there, Sadco. Yep, so hopefully it'll be having some better audio quality here in the future. And I guess that's going to be it for this quick update. Thanks for watching.